Welcome to my channel Luxury and Exotic Car Reviews. The 2026 Mazda Motor Home blends Mazda's cutting-edge design philosophy with the ultimate luxury and convenience of a modern motor home, creating something truly unique on the road. From its striking exterior to its refined interior, impressive performance, and premium price tag, this is a vehicle built to stand apart. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Mazda Motor Home is nothing short of a design masterpiece. It instantly grabs attention with its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette that looks more like a futuristic supercar than a traditional motor home. The bold red bodywork is complemented by elegant chrome accents, while the massive wraparound windshield gives it a commanding and confident presence. Sharp LED headlights flow seamlessly into the sculpted curves, and the iconic Mazda badge proudly represents the brand's heritage. Massive multi-spoke alloy wheels with a polished finish enhance its sporty, aggressive stance. From every angle, this motor home looks like it was shaped in a wind tunnel, perfectly balancing elegance and performance. Step inside, and Mazda ensures the interior is just as impressive. The cabin is designed with luxury and comfort at its core. Premium leather seating, customizable ambient lighting, and high-quality wood and aluminum finishes transform the living space into a five-star hotel on wheels. The driver's cockpit feels futuristic, featuring a large digital display, intuitive controls, and Mazda's advanced infotainment system with smart home integration. Behind the cockpit, the motor home opens into a spacious lounge with a large sofa, an entertainment center, and panoramic windows that flood the interior with natural light. The kitchen is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a convection oven, induction cooktop, refrigerator, and generous counter space. At the rear, a private bedroom suite offers a king-size bed, smart climate control, and ample storage. The bathroom continues the luxury theme with modern fixtures, a premium shower, and even a compact washer-dryer for added convenience. Performance is where the Mazda Motor Home truly sets itself apart. Unlike traditional motor homes that focus solely on comfort, this one delivers a driving experience inspired by Mazda's performance DNA. A hybrid powertrain combines a turbocharged petrol engine with an advanced electric system, offering smooth power delivery and efficient long-distance cruising. Adaptive suspension adjusts to road conditions, ensuring exceptional comfort and stability. Steering remains precise for a vehicle of this size, staying true to Mazda's Jinba Ittai philosophy, harmony between driver and machine. On highways, it glides effortlessly, while in city driving it remains surprisingly manageable thanks to advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and intelligent parking assistance. Pricing places the 2026 Mazda Motor Home firmly in the luxury segment. Starting at approximately $450,000 and increasing with customization, it's certainly a premium investment. However, the level of design, technology, and comfort makes it appealing to buyers seeking a unique blend of performance and luxury. Optional upgrades include bespoke interiors, solar panels, and extended battery packs for more eco-conscious travel. In summary, the 2026 Mazda Motor Home redefines what a motor home can be. It combines futuristic styling, high-end hotel luxury, and Mazda's renowned driving dynamics. While it comes at a premium price, it's designed for those who demand style, performance, and ultimate comfort on the road. 2026 Volvo Motor Home, the ultimate rolling luxury estate. The 2026 Volvo Motor Home is far more than just a motor home, it's a rolling mansion infused with cutting-edge technology, Scandinavian design, and powerful performance that pushes boundaries. Known for safety, innovation, and minimalist luxury, Volvo takes everything to an entirely new level with this masterpiece. The exterior design is absolutely breathtaking. At first glance, it looks like a futuristic concept vehicle brought to life. Sleek aerodynamic lines, a massive panoramic windshield, and glowing LED accents across the front fascia give it a bold, high-tech presence. Sculpted curves and sharp edges create a commanding profile, while the extended body and multi-axle setup enhance strength and stability. Expansive glass panels along the sides improve visibility and give the motor home a luxury yacht-like feel. Oversized wheels with chrome finishes complete the look, making this vehicle a true statement wherever it goes. Inside, Volvo elevates luxury even further. The spacious two-level cabin feels like a five-star hotel suite on wheels. The living area features premium Scandinavian wood, refined leather, and soft ambient LED lighting that creates a calm and welcoming atmosphere. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the interior with natural light, enhancing the open and airy feel. The upper level includes a lounge area, a full entertainment system with smart connectivity, and optional home office features for productivity on the move. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, marble countertops, and ample storage. The bedroom offers a king-size bed, luxury bedding, and advanced climate control for ultimate comfort. Completing the experience is a spa-inspired bathroom with premium fixtures and a rainfall shower. All systems are controlled through Volvo's advanced digital interface, allowing effortless control of lighting, climate, and entertainment via touch or voice commands. Under the hood, Volvo ensures performance matches the luxury. A hybrid powertrain pairs a high-performance diesel engine with electric motors, delivering impressive torque, efficiency, and long-range capability. The multi-axle system provides outstanding stability, while advanced suspension technology ensures a smooth and refined ride. Volvo's legendary safety systems take center stage, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, and 360-degree cameras for effortless maneuvering. Despite its size, the Volvo Motor Home offers surprisingly agile handling, proving that luxury travel doesn't have to compromise driving confidence. As for pricing, the 2026 Volvo Motor Home is firmly positioned in the ultra-luxury segment, with an expected starting price of around $2.5 million, depending on customization. While that figure is undeniably high, this vehicle is more than transportation. It's a lifestyle statement designed for those who demand exclusivity, innovation, and uncompromising luxury. The 2026 Volvo Motor Home represents the future of luxury travel. With its futuristic design, hotel-like interior, powerful performance, and world-class safety, it sets a new benchmark for motor homes. For those who want to travel across cities or continents in absolute comfort and style, this Volvo is nothing short of a masterpiece. Thanks for watching luxury and exotic car reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of the world's most extraordinary cars and motor homes.